Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Music sensation Burna Boy, the Grammy award-winning #1 Afrobeats star in the world, Burna Boy, has ruffled some feathers when he said recently that Nigeria is a collateral damage never meant to exist. Some people have applauded him. Some people have kicked him for that statement. But what he said is no different from what this sage and former Premier of Western Region, Chief Obafemi Awolowo, said about Nigeria when he said that Nigeria is a mere geographic expression. Burna Boy said that Nigeria is a collateral damage never meant to exist, and he traced it to the business interest of the British, the Royal Niger Company. And if you know the history of the Royal Niger Company, you know that they came to this country. They came to this country that is now known as Nigeria as a business enterprise, seeking for resources. And Burna Boy drew attention to that fact, that Nigeria was a mere business enterprise for the British, who eventually, for economic reasons, amalgamated the North and the South in 1914. If you look at that amalgamation, it's all based on business interest. It was all based and built on business interest of the British. Nigeria as a territory was supposed to exist to meet the business and resource needs of the British Empire, of the British government. That was the essence of it. It wasn't a country that was created by the decision of the people that was made by the Royal Niger Company when they came to trade in the territory that's now known as Nigeria. And when Burna Boy said that Nigeria was never meant to exist, he's not off the mark. Is not off the mark, because it was an afterthought. The creation of Nigeria out of the business interests of the Royal Niger Company was an afterthought. And we Nigerians have become the collateral damage. The British and those they partnered with are the people enjoying whatever is the outcome of that decision of the Royal Niger Company. The British may have gone, but their interests are protected by those who are in charge after they left. Not that they really left, because they are still the masters. That was why during presidential election, you see our leaders going to Chatham House to go and tell them that they will continue to be loyal. That's the reality of Nigeria. And there are attitudes of Nigerians that will also show you that Nigeria is not meant to exist. Because many Nigerians do not think with the mindset of a people belonging to the same country. Because if we do, some people will not rise up one morning or one day and began to trend on social media saying Igbo must go hashtag, with Igbo must go hashtag. Because what does that tell you? They are telling you, those who are running that campaign, Igbo must go. What they are telling you is what Burna Boy is saying, that Nigeria was never meant to exist. So that's the message those people are sending. Because if you know that Nigeria was meant to exist, why should you run a campaign, Igbo must go, hashtag? Why should you do that? Why should you say, quit notice? Give quit notice to some people to leave one part of the country. It is because Nigeria was never meant to exist, as Burna Boy pointed out. And you know it. That's why you think like that. Because if you know that Nigeria belongs to everybody, why should you run a campaign or encourage those who run a campaign with the hashtag Igbo must go? It means ab initio, you are confirming what Burna Boy said, that Nigeria was never meant to exist. When you say and encourage people who say it, that people from certain part of the country will never be president of Nigeria, you are reinforcing and reaffirming what Burna Boy just said, that Nigeria is never meant to exist. Because if it's a country that was meant to exist, you will not support and you will not be promoting that kind of garbage, that some people from certain part of the country will never be president. Over your dead body would they be president. It is because you know that Nigeria is a mere geographic expression. You know that Nigeria is just a mere trading enterprise of the Royal Niger Company, that it was never meant to exist. So for those of you who are condemning Burna Boy in particular, that is a message for you people to go and ponder why you behave the way you behave. If truly Nigeria was meant to exist, why are you championing or encouraging those championing Igbo must go? Why? And then you have the temerity to challenge Burna Boy in what he said. That's my take on Burna Boy's recent video, where he talked about that Nigeria is a collateral damage that was never meant to exist. I don't know what you think. Whatever you think about this, you can let us know on the comment box. Let us share your views on this matter. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. Meanwhile, you can see some of my books on the screen. These books are available on Amazon. There's a link to these books under this video. But if you don't have time to do that, just go to Google and type the title of any of these books with the author name. Google will take you directly to Amazon platform. Amazon was #1 on print on demand in in the world. It's world's #1 print on demand. And these books are available in several formats, including ebook, paperback, and hardcover. We are still to put it in an audio version, which we will do very soon. Thank you and God bless you and yours.